So what's up guys, welcome to this video. Today we will be discussing about what stuffs you have to bring and what are the conditions and what the where you should bring what foods and what stuff you have to do while coming to MBS abroad or for a medical student what they have to do. So we will uh, cover up all the stuff in this video related to weather, foods, and etc. Okay, let's start. So first of all, MBBS chapter. You choose this branch by giving NEET. Now you know this will be more typical than NEET. You have to study by yourself. It will be not dependent on any college. College will not take any guarantee that you will pass or fail or anything. They don't. They will only teach you and they will let you to study. The main goal here is to self-study and pass the FMG exam. At the end, you have to become the MBBS at India. You have to crack the FMGP at the last or next NEXT. So think about it and do stealth study. MBS abroad. Here weather first of all weather. Here weather in winters it is minus 15 to minus 25 or 26 degrees Celsius near. So there will be snowy weather here. In the areas like uh, I'm living in like Kazakhstan. Here the weather is nearly minus 25, minus 15 to minus 25 in snowy days at snowfall. And in spring it will be nearly minus 5 to plus 5 plus 10 degrees Celsius. It will be more warmer than the winters because in winter there is snowfall. But in spring there will be no snowfall, but it will be bit of chill side because there will be winds in that time. Okay, summers here are nice, but after reaching temperature uh, above 15 degrees Celsius, you will feel too hot here because here the climate you are adapted to the cold climate as 7 8 months, and in 2 months there will be a bit hotter as compared to the cold climate. So think about it. Then what to bring here? Then winter essentials you have to bring what? First of all, you have to bring the thermal innerwear, minimum 2 pieces. Then hoodies like this, hoodies. More socks. Like you have to bring 6 to 7 pairs of socks because we know students will not. Students are lazy at side and they will not wash the socks. It can lead to fungal infections also. Okay, so bring more socks so you can use it. Bring a umbrella with you, as in snowfall it will be more useful, or in rainy season also. Here there is a bit rainy season, so you can bring it. Okay. Then normal jackets for cold. Normal jackets, because here the climate is nearly colder side. When you will come in the month of October, the college will start in the month of November. So 2 or 3 months you can use a normal jacket with you, because at coming to from summers, from hotter climate or warmer climate, you are coming to a colder climate. So you will feel cold here. So there will be fever or cold to you, but bring a normal jacket and take care of yourself. Then snow and troubles. Then here there is snowfall. Snowfall there is much risk of slipping, and you will be first 2 or 3 days or 5 days you will enjoy the snowfall. Then it will be much frustrated to you that how the snowfall is. Then you will bring a normal jacket and another things like shoes and jackets you will buy here, because India jackets in snowfall they are of no use here. The jackets, it will cost, the jackets will in November there is a black November December I think so, there is a Black Friday. At that time there are sales and you will get more cheaper jackets at that time. Jackets here are thicker as compared to Indian jackets. They are much thicker, and they have stuffings like puff jackets. They are and you will feel hot, or you will not feel cold in that jackets. Okay. Then shoes. Here shoes are like this. They are like, their soles are thick and they have furs inside. Okay. So these both things you have to buy here. Okay. Then foods to carry. The foods you have to carry here from India is snacks. You will realize that snacks are more important. In snacks, you have to bring biscuit, chuda namkeens, bhujia, etc. What you need, you can bring it. Maggie also you can bring it. Bring here. Maggie instantly you can cook. Or there is some cooking in malls. We can get like 5 minute poha and bring a kettle with you so you can use it. Others like tea you can bring. Chai patti we say. Then you can make chai at hostel in the kettle. In some hostel there is kitchen and in some hostel there is no kitchen. So bring a kettle with you to boil water and extra stuff. Bring a round base kettle. Always remember, round base kettle is more helpful because why? You can cook a bit here, but in a narrow base kettle you cannot cook. So bring a circle shaped kettle. Okay, it will cost you up to 12 to 1600 rupees, but one time investment is nice. While buying a narrow kettle, you can buy a circle kettle. Okay. Then masalas, you have to bring Maggi masalas more because Maggi masalas are more helpful here. You can add it in your mess food also, like in dal, you can use it. In sabji, you can use it. Raw masala, you can use. Okay. Then food and other things here. Here, there are no major options in foods as compared to other things. Here you will get less option as compared to India. Here there is no samosas, no chiudas, no etc. No thing. So here there are what? Here are burger, pizza, and donuts, and another things are also there. But by thinking this, I can write these things. Three things. There is KFC. You can eat chicken that nuggets and etc. Then fries, etc. There, but majorly we eat here burger, pizza, and donut. Donuts are a roll like which is stuffed with vegetables, chicken, etc. With mayonnaise and ketchup. It is like that. Then in donut you can get two varieties, veg and non-veg. In pizza also veg and non-veg. But in burger you will not get. You will get non-veg burger only. So think about it. Okay. The question is Indian restaurants are present here or not? It will be depend on city to city that Indian restaurants are present. In our city, in Almaty, there are 6 to 7 Indian restaurants. So, yes, in our city, Almaty, there are Indian restaurants. Okay. Medicines. What medicines you have to buy here? You have to buy majorly like paracetamol, cetirizines, which are related to allergy and a bit fever side. And and if you are a allergic person, if you have allergy, then bring your medicines here because here medicines are too costly. Medication is too costly. So, and if you have diseases like epilepsy or migraine or some another related to allergy, etc., bring your medicine full course. You will not get a chance to go to India and bring that. In courier services also, medicine didn't come. You can, if any student or your agent is coming, you can hand over the course to him and you can take it here. So these are the things. So this all was there in this video. We have completed all the things. Then uh, in a hostel life, you will cook, you will do everything, every stuff you will enjoy it here. But think here while choosing MBBS abroad, there will be much difficulties as compared to India. You can buy anything at any price. In India, we know there are things at a cheaper side, but in foreign countries, there are things at much costlier side. if you think here, here bananas are 200 rupees kgs. Here kg, you get bananas in kgs. Fruits are also costlier, but as compared to India, apples and another oranges are, as compared to India, they are bit same at balanced price. So you can buy apples at, in cold countries you will get apples at cheaper side. Okay, so this was for this video. Please, thank you for watching this video, and if you are interested for next videos what I should tell about, so please comment below, so I will make a video on it. And please subscribe the channel. It will get me more motivation to make such videos. Okay, thank you guys.